Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today. So I'm so excited for today's video because it is fall and I love fall makeup, I love fall colors, and it's also in partnership with Wet n Wild. So Wet n Wild reached out to me. They wanted me to do a video using the products and also wanted to give my followers a 25% discount, which is awesome because Wet n Wild products are already like so affordable, and yeah, they have some really good products. So if you want that 25% discount code, I would definitely leave a link for the products as well as the code below, and I'll also just put it up here so you guys can see it up there as well. But yeah, today's video is going to be a fall makeup tutorial. I'm so excited for this video. It's been so long. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Zakaila, and welcome back if you're not new. Make sure to follow me on my social medias. I'll leave them right there. Without further ado, let's just jump into today's fall makeup tutorial. Alright, so I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild Jelly Primer. This is really interesting, but it actually got really tacky and helped my foundation stick really well. So I actually really like this product. So next I'm going to be going in with the Wet n Wild foundation. I'm in the shade Golden Beige. I really love the applicator for that foundation. And then I'm taking this beauty sponge, which looks like a normal size beauty sponge, but when you get it wet, it gets huge, if you can see the size of it in my hand. I did the blending in sections just because foundation dries pretty quickly, so I wanted to work in sections so it didn't dry out, and it all blended beautifully. And then I always go in with dewy spray just to keep everything nice and dewy and not dried out and cakey. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild concealer, and same thing, I'm just working one side at a time so that it's not too dry once I move on to the next section. So I'm just going in the usual places under my eyes, and then I like to put it also on top of my eyelids and under my brows so that everything is nice and even in one color. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild translucent powder, and I really liked this powder. It wasn't too drying, it wasn't too white or flashback or anything like that. It just worked really well and set my face. And now I'm going back in with some dewy spray so that everything blends together nicely and looks like skin and not super dry and cakey. Now I'm just gonna quickly bronze up my face so that I'm not all flat in one color and we can have some warmth back into my skin. Make sure to snatch that jaw so you have the defined jawline. Now I'm going in with this Wet n Wild highlighter. It was really beautiful soft golden shade, and I liked that you could either spray your brush or just build it up to make it more intense, but it looked really soft and natural on the skin. So I'm just going on my cheekbones, nose, forehead, chin, and cupid's bow like usual. Now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild paint palette, and these are such beautiful colors for fall. So I'm going in with the orange, and I'm going to apply that on my crease. Make sure to be like super careful because these are like paint cream eyeshadow, so like go in very light-handed and blend carefully. Now I'm going in with the brown, and I'm just putting that in the outer corner. And then I'm going to take this beautiful pinky cranberry blush shade and use that as an eyeshadow. So I'm going to spray my brush and apply that on my inner lid. And I felt like doing a wing today, so I just did a quick wing on top of that. But yeah, I really love this combination of colors for fall. It looks so pretty. So I just went ahead on the bottom lash line and added a little bit of that orange and brown, and then I put on some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'm just taking that same highlighter and popping it in my inner corner and on my brow bone. Now I'm taking this beautiful like maroon burgundy brown shade that is so perfect for fall, and I'm applying that on my lip. I really love that lip color and how it turned out. It just made the whole look pop and scream fall even more. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this fall makeup tutorial as much as I did. Fall colors in makeup just make me so excited. The dark reds, the oranges, the yellows, all the warm tones, and like the more grungy shades, if that makes sense. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to check out the products below and the discount code. Everything is linked in the description box. Don't miss out on the 25% discount. Follow me on all my socials and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Bye.